What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers? Welcome back to the Tradman YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the brand new Moerman 6-inch squeegee, so stay tuned. Right then folks, so up until now we've basically had to do this. If you wanted a Moerman 6-inch squeegee to reduce that detailing on those small little windows, you had to make your own. So before we had to take a standard handle and using a hacksaw or something like that to cut the handle down a little bit on each side so that it would fit on a 6-inch channel. Because of these blue end clips, obviously they take up a fair bit of space on the channel itself, so there wasn't enough room for a standard handle. So this is what we've had to do up until now, but I'm pleased to say after a long time of obviously asking Moerman, people like myself, Poles and Blades and others have obviously had a little bit of a whinge to Moerman over the years to say, can you just make a 6-inch squeegee please? And eventually they have actually done it. So here it is. There we are. So this is the 6-inch channel. It's completely plastic, the entire thing. And there's no end clips anymore. It's all one piece, okay? So it's nice and light and obviously be easy enough to use. It's not gonna get caught on your bucket on a belt. Sometimes with obviously the standard channels with those blue end clips, they can get stuck on your bucket and a belt or your little loops on your belt sometimes, depending on how you have this, that can tend to catch. But because it's all one piece, it's obviously like a lot of other squeegee channels, all nice and smooth, and it won't catch on anything. So we're going to try this out today and see how we get on. When you get your Moerman 6-inch channel, it will probably come with the NXTR rubber. Now I have done a review on this before, so it's not very good. Okay, so personally I would say before you even start using it, take this out and put in something like Unger Green rubber. That's what I've got in mind today. I'll leave a link in the description below to Unger Green rubber if you want to try that out. It's one of the best rubbers I've honestly ever used. But the blue stuff, I mean, you could maybe prop up a table with it or, you know, wedge a door open with it or something, but don't use it for windows. It's terrible, it's rubbish. So get some Unger Green, Razor Red, Ettore rubber, something like that. Put something like that in your 6-inch squeegee and it'll work beautifully. So let's crack on and get on with this and have a wee look and see how this performs. Right then, here we go with the Excelerator handle attached. I'm really glad that I can use this handle with a 6-inch channel now. It just means it's so much more versatile. If you've got deep ledges, I can now adjust the angle of the handle to get around difficult situations, and it's just going to be much, much better having this handle with the small channel. So let's give it a whirl. Looks cool as well, actually. It does look cool. A bit more professional than the homemade one. Got a few little ones up here. Try it on. So I'll do those two and this 3 here and give it a whirl and see how we get on. See if it still achieves zero detailing with this completely all-in-one clip. So all one piece, no end clips now, just all one channel. And with using the Excelerator handle, I've got a little bit more reach now as well, because this handle's a little bit longer than the standard handle I was using, so that's handy. It's working very well. Well done, Moerman. That's much better. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's really good. Really good. It just means I have to wipe the frame and that's it. So, good. It's working good. Finally, something come out from Moerman that I'm actually quite chuffed with, quite happy. The last few products have been pants, but this one's really good. Nice and simple, but works well. So let's go and do a few more with it, shall we? Right then, folks, we've had a good go of the Moerman 6-inch squeegee today. So what do we think? Do you like it?
I like it. Yeah, it's really good.
Really good.
I like the extra long handle, and it'll be really good if you've got high little openers and you need to do it on a pole. It'll be good for
really
that
good.
as well, because it
So,
changes ankles, doesn't it?
We don't have to make our own 6-inch squeegee anymore. It's great.
I liked the one that you made me.
It was alright. It worked, but at least now we can buy them. I don't have to sit in the workshop with a hacksaw and a file and make it myself.
I definitely recommend getting a 6-inch squeegee if you haven't got one.
Yeah,
they are useful.
Really good for those small windows. So I'll leave a link in the description below to the Moerman 6-inch squeegee. If you like precision tools and you've got smaller windows to work on, grab yourself one of these. They're really good. And we're going to go and crack on.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks very much for watching. Much appreciated. Take care. Be good. And remember, keep squeegee slinging.